How to log into ExxonMobil Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in ExxonMobil Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Now scroll down, navigate to this one website option. Smart Simple. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now over here, you will see the option of Employee Login. Click on this option. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. First up, go ahead and type in your company name, email address or phone number. Then go ahead and click on the option of Next. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you type in, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into ExxonMobil Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.